In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a note as a PDF and save it to Google Drive. First, start by opening the Notes app or platform where your note is stored. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the exact note you want to export. This is important because the export process is going to create a PDF version of that specific note. If you need to, quickly scan through the content and confirm that everything looks correct and is ready to be saved or shared. Once you have opened the note, look towards the top or the side of the screen for a small icon with two dots, usually arranged vertically or horizontally. This icon often represents more options or additional actions you can take. Click on those two dots. When you do this, a menu should appear with several choices related to your note. From that menu, look for the option that says Export as PDF, or something very close to that. Go ahead and click on Export as PDF. Your device will now start generating a PDF file from your note. Depending on the length of the note and your device speed, this may take a moment, so just give it a little time to process. When it finishes, you'll usually be asked where you want to save the PDF, or it might automatically save it to your Downloads folder. Now that your note has been exported as a PDF, the next step is to move it into Google Drive so it's safely stored in the cloud and easy to access from anywhere. Open your web browser and go to Google Drive. If you're not already signed in, log in with your Google account so you can access your files and folders. Once Google Drive is open, decide where you want this PDF to live. You can use an existing folder or create a new one to keep your notes organized. After that, open the folder on your computer where the exported PDF was saved, usually your Downloads folder. Click and hold on the PDF file, then drag it over to the Google Drive window in your browser. When you see Google Drive highlight or show an upload message, release the mouse to drop the file. Google Drive will upload the PDF, and you'll see it appear in the folder you selected. That's all there is to it. You've successfully exported your note as a PDF and saved it